Shana Gabriel Ampunan, and I am from Bachelor of Special Needs Education, major in Early Childhood.
Ito po yung question ko. How was your experience as a business student?
Actually, for me, it's sobrang laking culture change sa akin. Kasi, actually, ang gusto ko is special, parang secondary education. Pero, siguro, binigyan ako ni Lord ng opportunity to have this course kasi baka yun talaga yung calling ko. And so far, na-enjoy ko naman siya and mas unti-unti ko minamahal yung course, even though hindi siya yung para sa akin.
Next question po is, as a teacher educator, how will you handle teaching different skills level and backgrounds?
So basically, sa napag-aaralan namin is, before you handle those students or learners with special needs, kailangan mo munang alamin yung backgrounds nila before you create an IEP or individualized lesson plans for them para alam mo kung ano yung i-cater mo for specific student, kung ano yung mga kailangan nila on their learning.
And last question po is, as a business student, what advice would you give to incoming business students po on your own experience?
So, mostly kasi is, yung mga business dito is parang no choice lang sila na napunta dito. But, para doon sa mga willing talaga na i-take tong course na to, enjoy lang and then you will love the students talaga with special needs.
Thank you po.